Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Safari with the exact page you want in desktop view. Once the page loads, tap the address bar or the AA icon at the left of the URL. This is the first actionable step. Bring up the site controls. Make sure you're on that tab. If not, open it. You need the page open so Safari knows which site to request as desktop, so do that now and then follow the on-screen controls I'll describe next. Once done opening the page, tap AA and choose Request Desktop Website. Safari reloads the page as the desktop version. If you want this repeatedly, open Settings, go to Safari, then Request Desktop Website and enable all websites or set per site defaults. To set just one site, tap choose Website Settings, and toggle Request Desktop Site. Make sure to reload the tab after changing settings, so Safari fetches the desktop assets instead of the mobile ones. Finish by reloading the page so the server serves the desktop HTML and CSS. If the site still looks mobile, clear cache in Settings, Safari clear history and website data and reload. Make sure any content blockers aren't forcing the mobile layout. If problems persist, use a Safari shortcut that changes the user agent or open the site in a browser that exposes a desktop user agent option. That's the fallback. Troubleshooting tip: clear cache and retry to force the desktop resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.